Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to crack open that second Watchgang Black watch I've received for June 2018. As you see, I still got on the Blackwell that I just cracked open in that other one. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. As you guys know, the Watchgang Black membership is the $99 membership, and I have a sneaky suspicion I've got another Blackwell watch here just because the packaging was so much alike, and we do. So hopefully I don't have another tan with blue stitching strap on this one. Let's take a look. Ooh, alright. A little different. I like the black. Actually, really like that one. I'm gonna guess it's also got an NH35A, which, yep, looks like it does. Get the plastic off the back of that one. Get a little bit better look. Japan automatic. 100-meter water resistant. Wow, I actually really like the texture in the center dial of that. Has some really interesting dial characteristics. Once again, another big, thick leather strap. Does have a logoed crown if my camera would focus there. Or at least a B, I should say. We've got Blackwell on the buckle. I can tell you this one, the black for me is probably going to get worn way more than the silver face. What do you guys think about regular numbers versus Roman numerals on watches? I go either way. I don't know if I'm as big of a fan of the Roman numerals, honestly. So this one we do have a date window. That's weird. No date window on that one. Interesting. Both using the same movement, but they left the date window out. Which it is interesting. Sometimes I've seen the date wheel will still be behind the dial, even though there's no window for the date. I like the case design overall. I like that it's got some shiny black versus some matte black or some brushed black on it. Ooh. I am a fan of quick release straps. Makes it very simple for some swapping. Really cool. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. Which one do you like better? I'm leaning towards the black. As always, guys, thanks for watching.